Hello everyone, thanks for having your speaking at Peer 2020. My name is Aritz Medina from the University of the Basque Country in Spain, and I'm going to present a work called Software Scaffolds for Quality Feedback in Peer Review, done by colleagues Oscar Diaz, Jeremías Pérez Contel, and me. First of all, I will introduce Review&Go, that is a tool that we have developed which scaffolds quality feedback in peer review. With Review&Go, it is possible to conduct the reviewing lifecycle, which consists of defining reviewing criteria, conducting the review, sharing the review, and meta-reviewing, where it is aggregate each of the reviews. Review&Go is a web browser extension available to download at the Chrome Web Store on the link below. So let's see the most relevant features to conduct a reviewing cycle. To install, just simply click on Add to Chrome button. After installing it, we can drag and drop a PDF document to the browser and activate the extension button in the top right corner. On the left sidebar, it is shown the review model, which can be customized to include the quality features to assess in the conference. This review model can be exported and shared among conference reviewers and provided as a template. After setting the review model, while reading, you may spot merits and demerits of the article. Those can be annotated, simply selecting the text fragment and clicking the corresponding criterion. Double-clicking upon the highlight, you can select the poll, for example, a major weakness in this case, or you can make a comment and search and recommend literature to the authors. No need to say that comments to the author shouldn't use a pejorative tone, so Review&Go will alert you if it considers that your comments could offend them. After creating some annotations, you can get an overview using the canvas view in the sidebar. Major weaknesses appear in red, minor ones in yellow, and strengths in green. It is also possible to click on them to see more details or locate them in the manuscript. So, when the review is finished, Review&Go can generate a textual report. As we can see, it includes annotated text excerpts, in which page can we find it, the comments, and the referenced literature. But it is also possible to export all the annotations and share, for example, via EasyShare with the editors. As we will see now, annotations can help editors to conduct a meta-reviewing. To show that, now we move to the editor or meta-reviewer perspective. Here we can import each of the reviews. Now, Review&Go displays reviewers' annotations, and the highlighter works as an index to navigate through them. In this way, editors can compare and check reviewers' comments, qualifications, and concerns in an easy way. Now we will see briefly the theoretical framework behind Review&Go. Peer review's mission is threefold. It is a manuscript enhancer, as reviewers provide comments to improve it. Peer review also works as a gatekeeper, where the manuscript passes judgment to be published, and also is a gradation mechanism where it is checked if the manuscript has enough merits or not. What we have done in Review&Go is to rephrase some of the attributes for good feedback in a student's assessment to provide quality comments in the practice of reviewing. Those attributes describe feedback as specific, where feedback points to paragraphs in the manuscript, timely, where accomplishes with the conferences or journal deadlines, contextualize, where the feedback references the criteria supported within the community where it is published, and selective, providing comments to improve authors' papers. We have defined a conceptual model describing the concepts involved in quality feedback and in Review&Go. The manuscript and extracted text paragraphs correspond to the specific mandate, the quality features and its attributes to the contextualized feedback, and comments accomplish the selective mandate. I will end, as I mentioned before, that the extension is open source and is fully available to download on the Chrome Web Store, so feel free to install it and try to review your manuscripts. But also we are looking for co-authors to help in the evaluation of our approach, so don't hesitate to contact us if you are interested in it. Thanks for your attention. I wish you a good conference and keep in touch.